Today I have a Ford Bronco and I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid to a Ford Bronco. You're going to need windshield washer fluid to wash your windshield when it becomes dirty with debris or whatnot, and I'm going to show you how to add that. But before I do, if you find my video helpful in any way throughout the duration of the video, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add windshield washer fluid to the Ford Bronco. What I do is typically put the vehicle into park and turn off the engine. All right, so with that being said, turn off the engine. Then I'm going to open the door and then I'm going to look down towards here. And you see that? Vehicle's in park. I'm going to level flat field. I'm going to go ahead and pull this. Just like that, and you heard the hood pop. So I'm going to walk around the front of the hood, and then at the front of the hood there's a secondary safety latch, and it's under here. And what I do is, you'll see it right there, it's a yellow thing. I'm going to take my fingers, slide it in, cup it down, and then I'm going to go that way, that direction with it, and then I'm going to lift open the hood. Now watch this. I'm going to go in, put my finger in here, open it up like this, and there is a kickstand that goes in right there. And I'm going to go ahead and take this kickstand and put it into place. Put that kickstand in place like that, and the hood is open. And with the hood open, I'm just going to walk in, and I'm going to be looking for the international, universal, multiversal symbol for windshield washer fluid. And that's this right here. Do you see this? That sign right there, that signals the windshield washer fluid. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead, open this up, and then top this off. Don't overflow it, just top it off up to that line right there. And then when you're done, go ahead and close this, and voila, you've added windshield washer fluid to your windshield washer compartment inside of your Ford Bronco. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.